Hello, I'm in another field. We got cows. We got cows. They're everywhere. There's even more back there. But the reason why I'm here is here comes that rainy day feeling again. Do, 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 do. Here comes that rainy day feeling again. Yeah, I couldn't get so lucky. Have 2 days in a row where it rained. Got me off early, but you know, I can hope. Oh, he wants to dump in the wagon. Hey, look. We'll get video of him dumping into the wagon. And we got video of a cow pooping. Cow pooping. See, I'm not the only one that poops in fields, Cinnabon. Let's see here. Slow her down just a little. Hey, look. It's corn. It's corn. It's not easy to sit there and put the camera behind me and try to videotape that while we're driving. No. There's a cow. Scarlett was pooping. I'm not the only one that poops in a field. Yeah, look at that rain. That rain's coming. Gonna get just enough to get me wet a little bit out of here. Probably won't screw up much. We got some rain coming. Yep, you can see that rain just pouring out of that sucker. Yep. Hey, Hooters. Still unloading. Yep. Of course, the window's dirty. It's all dirty. Combine's dirty. Everything's dirty. Get a hard enough rain, it might get a little of the dust off. Or just make it look worse. You know how that goes. Got a little creek there I could go swimming in if I wanted to. Jump in, get all wet. Look, still rain coming. This is going to be one of the boringest farm life videos I've made yet. Except the Bears are winning 14-0 over the Detroit Lions. That's about the only good news right now. But yeah, we'll take a break. Maybe I'll get something else.
When we get unloaded here, I'll probably stop and go pull my drink the tank thing in and get up to the truck and pull that in.
Alright. Yep, here it comes, folks. Look at that shit. So, he'll get unloaded. I'll get this shit covered, hurried up and thrown on the truck. Then we'll figure out what to go from there, but it's starting to come down. This is what goes on. I think the really heavy stuff's just gonna miss us. I don't know. But hey, might be another short day. Who the hell knows? I'm out of here for now.
Go ahead.
Well, folks, the rain didn't last long. By the time we got everything put away, it quit raining. So we're back out here for now. I'm watching a lot of these clouds just start to updraft and poof, and yeah, I think we're going to get more rain. But nobody wants to listen to me. So here we are. Probably be out here about a half hour or so. Next rain will hit. And then they'll want to rush everything back into the shed and, you know, rinse and repeat. I'm watching that one right there. That one's really pooping up there. Look at all these lovely little clouds. My windows are a little bit cleaner after the last rain now. Oh, look at all the cows come back out. Grab some quick food. Except there's the one that was pooping. It's still hiding out because it's like, hell it is. Yep, those really dark ones over there I think are going to be the next rainmaker. Been getting a little bit bigger, a little bit darker. Then we got the lovely little white ones pooping up over there and such. Yeah, there we go. We got really clean and got a lot over here too. Angry looking little cloud there against all the white. A little calf watching me. Trying to figure out what I'm doing. Oh, better watch myself because it looks like he's about ready to dump some more corn. There it goes. I'm gonna shut off now.